here's a really good question. Should I change my personal trainer? Okay, so this individual, maybe they started the gym and they started, oh yeah, this guy's good. He looks fit. He looks really into it. And then a week passes and you're like, I'm not sure about this guy anymore. And then another week passes and you're like, I'm really not sure about this guy anymore. And you start to notice like he just doesn't even care about you as an individual. Maybe he's kind of scrolling his phones in between sets. He's kind of spacing off and looking around. And you come to this point, you're like, man, should I change? Should I change? So you got to really ask yourself, what kind of personal trainer you're looking for. Are you looking for somebody who's just a companion and mainly there to show you a workout, but not necessarily to push you too hard, but more of just kind of easing you into it and almost like working out with a friend? That could be one type of personal trainer. And then another type of personal trainer, of course, can be somebody who's screaming at you to get down on the ground, to push yourself until you throw up, and to keep going even when you do throw up. So beginners a lot of times don't want that. And I'm guessing since this is on the Beginner Fitness Reddit forum that this person might be getting somebody who's a little apathetic for them. And if that's the case, 100%, you are not stuck to your personal trainer. You are not stuck to that gym. Don't feel obligated to do that if you are not enjoying it. Working out is something that you should definitely enjoy, and especially if you're spending the money on yourself, you don't want to be literally forcing to give this guy money if you don't like the work he's doing. If you don't like the work he's giving you, it's your right to do what you want with that. And especially your time, your time as well. So find somebody who resonates with you. Find somebody who's maybe in your price range. Find a gym that's comfortable and enjoy it. The second you don't enjoy it, it's time to move on.